Yes, it finally came. These Jordans that I've been waiting for a long time. This is really supposed to be a Christmas gift, and my brother ordered these a little last minute, and basically I'm doing a little unboxing. Open this bad boy up. With my handy dandy scissors, and taking off the tape could be a bitch. I hate taking off tapes, boxes, and see what they can see. Alright, a box inside the box. Damn, and this box is cold as hell. It is mad cold. Alright, this box is done. Now, alright, look like these are the fours: black, white, yellow, and Air Jordans. I do like the box though. The box look kind of ill. The box itself look fantastic. You got the Jordan symbol there. It's different too. It's very different. Let's open it up. Got this nice little plastic. Look at them. These shoes look sexy. I definitely do like these shoes. These are size 8.5. I got some big feet. Yeah, these shoes are heat. I love these shoes. Thanks, bro. And thanks for the Christmas gift. And thanks for watching my video. Cannot wait to wear these tomorrow. And give this video a like, please. That's appreciated. And that's really it inside the box. The Red 11s, they were sold out so quick. But subscribe, like, comment, and that's my unboxing video of the Jordan 4s. Black, I was about to say red, yellow, and black. It's a nice look. And peace. Have a good one, YouTube.